So, you want to know how an aircraft works? Great! This video is a very simple explainer on the basic physics of an aircraft. Let's get started. There are four main forces at play when an aircraft is flying. The weight of the aircraft creates a downward force. To compensate, the aircraft needs to generate lift to stay in the air. Additionally, there is drag slowing the aircraft down and thrust to speed the aircraft up. Let's start with the thrust. This thrust is generated by the engines. Nowadays, the most common aircraft engine is the jet engine. Let's take a closer look at how these work. All jet engines have an air intake that guides fast-moving air into two sets of compressors: the low-pressure compressor and the high-pressure compressor. These compress the incoming air and guide it into the combustion chamber. Here, fuel is added to the compressed air, causing the gases to heat up and expand. These high-energy gases go into two sets of turbines, the high-pressure turbine and the low-pressure turbine. These power the compressors and guide the fast-moving gases to the exhaust, where the speed of the exhaust gases generates thrust. This thrust speeds up the aircraft. Now let's take a look at the force slowing down the aircraft, the drag. What is drag? Drag is the resistance force from the air as an aircraft is flying. Simply put, the aircraft has to push through the air when flying at speed, causing a loss of speed when not compensated by the engines. This drag is dependent on the shape of the aircraft, the speed of the aircraft, and the density of the air. Finally, let's take a look at the vertical forces. The weight is simply the gravity force as a result of the aircraft's mass. The lift is generated by the wings. Let's see how. The key is the shape of the wing. Round at the top, flat on the bottom. The air over the top of the wing has to move faster, which creates an area of low density. This low-density air creates a suction force on the wing, which is called lift. If this force is high enough to overcome gravity, the plane will go up. Pretty cool, huh? So now you know the basic physics of an aircraft. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more short and interesting technology videos.